Remix.
America got a thing for this gangsta shit. They love me. Black Chuckers, Black Scully, leather Pele Pele. I take spit over rainbow shit. I'm a vandal, got that silver duct tape on my tray, ain't handle. The women in my life bring confusion and shit. So like Nino and New Jack, I holla, cancel that bitch. Look at me. This is the life I chose. Niggas around me so cold. Man, my heart done froze. I build an empire on a load and ops don't know I'm the weatherman. I take that cocoa leaf and make that snow. Sit back, watch it turn the dough. Watch it go out the door. O after O, you know.
तेरे लिए हम भेंगे होठों को सिए तेरे लिए हम भेंगे हर आंसू पिए दिल में मगर जलते रहे चाहत के दिए
Shit about gymnastics, I somersault bricks and black talent start flying. When a nigga flip, I cook crack in the microwave. Niggas can't fuck with me, man, my codies call me Chef Boy all 50. Check my logic, smokers don't like seeds and they weed shit. Send me them seeds, I grow them what they need. Them ain't cheap pet plants in the crib, that's chronic. And I'm selling them for 500 a pop, goddammit. I sell anything, I'm a hustler, I know how to grind. Step on grapes, put it in water and tell you it's wine. If you analyze me, what you will find is the DNA of a crook, and what goes on in my mind is contagious, hypnotic, it sounds melodic. If rap was the block or spot, I'd be that potent product. Now get a load of me, flashy, far from low key, and you can locate me wherever that dough be.